Я думал, намного лучше будет это все. И очень плохая музыка, просто очень плохая музыка. Я думал, намного народу, мама, музыка не очень.
А что за направление?
А?
Что за направление?
Направление? Какое направление?
Что за направление музыки играет там?
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. So the other day I had a big hankering for something very nostalgic for me. Fish fingers. Not just fish fingers. Fish finger sandwich.
Fucking delicious.
So didn't want to buy them, so I thought it'd be a pretty good video. Made fish finger sandwiches and chips, my own tartar sauce and ketchup. So all these videos will be available and I'll put links in. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Without further ado, let's get you started.
Yeah, boy.
So to start, we're going to roughly take off the skins of the potato, chop them up into finger length pieces, drizzle oil over the top and a pinch of salt, pop them in the oven for around half an hour. Meanwhile, we can get on with our fish. I'm using flathead. In England you'll probably use cod, you can use flake, hake, whatever you want, whatever white fish you want. Cut them up into strips. I'm going to crack a couple of eggs and whisk them lightly. We're going to pop 1 cup of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Panko breadcrumbs work really well. Half a cup of flour in a separate bowl. Season the breadcrumbs with a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Also a pinch of smoked paprika works really well. Mix that up. Now we're going to put them in order. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. We're going to pop each piece of fish in the flour, then in the egg, then in the breadcrumbs, then on the plate, ready to fry. Good tip here, use one hand for dry, so one hand for flour and breadcrumbs, and your other hand for the egg.
That fish, brilliant.
Then put some oil in a pan, so we can shallow fry them. Lay the fish in gently. You'll have to do these in batches, depending on the size of your pan. Wait till they've crisped and went dark in colour, and pop them on a resting tray just to drip off any excess oil. Then we're going to pull out our chips as well that have been cooking in the oven. And we're going to throw them in the oil as well, just to crisp up a little bit more. So to plate it up, you can butter your bread. I'm also putting on tartar sauce on each side. Fish fingers in, cut that in half, make it look all pretty. Chips on, and some homemade tomato ketchup on the side. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye, fellas.